Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another Lookfantastic haul for August, and this time it's a selection of my Holy Grail makeup products. This video is sponsored by Lookfantastic. You will find links to all these products down below in my description, as well as my own personal code, which is DiaryLF. It's an affiliate code and can be used site-wide, and it'll entitle you to up to around 25%. Depends. All the products that I'm using on my face today, my code can be used against, so I'll pop that down below, as well as any offers and new limited editions Lookfantastic have, and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look there if you want to. So starting off with my brows, they are currently, I'd say they are microbladed, but there's not much of the microblading ink left on my brows. I had them microbladed about 2.5 years ago. They were too dark, plus they were too thick, too blocky. I wanted combination brows. I wish I had just stuck with strokes because it would have been more flattering. So I knew I wanted to get rid of them, and I saw this amazing person on Instagram that does realistic brow strokes. So the plan is to have them lasered off and then in time go to this person in Cardiff to have them redone again, but very, very natural looking. So I've had 2 laser sessions. I am doing a video on it. I have filmed the process and my thoughts and the pain and everything like that, so that will be coming soon. And I am going to book in for a third because this eyebrow in particular, it's only this one really, but it went quite high in comparison to this one. The new microblading won't be able to cover like the blockiness at the top there, so I just literally have to pay £80 just to have a little corner taken away. But anyway, I've been trying to find eyebrow products to suit my ever-changing eyebrows, and I've gone back to this. I love Benefit. I have been a huge fan of Benefit for years and years and years, and this is the Goof Proof. I found this one to be the best one. It's long-lasting, gorgeous colour. I do love this colour. It's number 3, so it's like a warm brown, so it blends in well with my natural hairs and also my copper hair as well. It's the best pencil shade ever. So on one hand, we've got a brush there, and then on the other, we've got the nib there. So you can see it's angled. Really great at filling in your eyebrows, but then the point then is great for more definition and stroke-like hairs. And then I use the brush to brush through my brows. And yeah, my brows are pretty easy to fill in because I've still got the slight outline of the microblading. The Goof Proof Brow Pencil I've been using for the last couple of months, which I highly recommend. It's really great. Next up, by Terry Hydra Powder. This is a hyaluronic powder. It's part of their hyaluronic range. I've been using this non-stop. It is my go-to powder. Comes with a little puff and a mirror. I've already used a little bit already, but as you can see, it is colourless. It feels so lovely on my skin. It's almost like cooling underneath my eyes. So I tend to apply it with a brush first, then I go in with a powder puff then and just pat it in, which helps to set it, and then I just go over my face where I need it, basically. Some of the powders give like a blurring effect, like the Charlotte Tilbury. That is brilliant for if I've got heavier makeup. I want more of a blurring effect where the actual powder has got a slight bit of colour and it adds like foundation does to my skin. But if I'm looking for something really natural, really great for my skin, sets well, and it has all the benefits included in the powder like hyaluronic acid, which my skin needs, then yeah, this is amazing. It is on the pricey side definitely, but I've just literally finished one of these now and I've had it for about a year, so definitely worth it in my book. Next, some brushes. We got 2 here. 2 favourite brushes. 2 favourite brushes. It's a Weaver 228. I've been banging on about this since 2017 and it still remains one of my favourite brushes ever. It's so good. This is the 228 Crease Definer. And what I love about it is that it's got like a little tip at the top there, and then it diffuses out a little bit. Perfect for blending in your crease and blending outwards. You're able to build up colour in little movements if you want to, and then you're able to really diffuse the shadow out then by going in a little bit heavier. It's just a great all-round brush. It blends super easy. I love it. And the other one then is an angled brush. Angled brushes are fab. Absolutely brilliant. This is more of a narrower angled brush, and this is a Sigma. What number are you? It's an E70, a medium angled brush. More narrow. This is great for initial eyeshadow placement. If you're doing like a smoked out outer corner look, which I have done, then you can apply this and press this onto your lid on the outer corner and just build up the colour gently and you're not going to create a massive mess of colour. It's quite precise, so you've got really great control there, and then you can lightly blend it out then, and using the 228 brush by Zoeva, then you can blend it out a little bit further. You can add more colours. Another tip with an angle brush, so if you turn it upside down, add powder, so you've just got powder right at the top tip, you know. You can use that for underneath your eyes. If you're going anywhere and you're downsizing your brushes, then these two are fab. These two together are really, really great. You can create a whole look, as I've shown you in this video, with just these two brushes. Definitely recommend them, really great. Next, I love this brand, Natasha Denona. Oh, I love all the shadows that I've tried, all the little palettes. I've got two big palettes. I've got the original Glam palette, which is my favourite. Hands down, my favourite ever palette. It's got all the gorgeous mushroomy taupe, rich browns, the silvers, the golds. Oh, it's such a beautiful, beautiful palette. And then they've got a mini version. So this is going to come with me anywhere I go. If I go on holiday, this is going to come with me. This is the mini Glam palette. There's 5 eyeshadows. In the video, I start off with Seed, then I use Harlow, then I use Faye, and then lastly then I use Golden Flesh. The only one I didn't use is the middle one there. A nice easy look with these shadows, very pigmented, very easy to blend, just beautiful, and no fallout either. So yeah, love this. Love that I got a little mini of my favourite palette. Next up are pencils, eyeshadow pencils. I've got a big selection growing now, lots of different brands. Bobbi Brown though is one of my favourite. Glide on super smoothly. You're able to use a brush to blend out, or use your finger. When I do an under eyeshadow look, I use my fingers just to blend that out and soften it a little bit. It's really easy to create a smoky eye, especially if you've got some dark rich browns and a black maybe. So I've got 2 new ones here. This is Mika, and there. So it's a cross between a gunmetal and gold, if that makes any sense. Not quite gold, but not quite silver and grey. Yeah, and in between. I use this shade in the corner of my eyes, and I bring it down a little bit on the underneaths as well, so that I'm able to blend in the rest. It just brightens up my eyes. Next one is Mulberry, and this is like an amethyst colour, like an amethyst, think coppery purple. I'm not very good at describing, am I? A coppery purple. My daughter will love this. She's got the most gorgeous smoky bluey grey. They're more like a grey, like smoky grey colour eye, and this would look stunning with her eyes. I just love them. They're so easy to use, very, very long lasting as well. Next, for my winged eyeliner, Benefit again. I am a big Benefit fan. I just love this. This is the perfect eyeliner. This is the roller liner, and I love that it's got a huge nib. It's really long. Because it's so long, I'm able to create a really quick and easy winged eyeliner look. I just place the liner on the side of my eyes and just press, and then I've got a guide then, so I'm able to build it up from there. It's so much easier to do wings when the nib is long. So much easier. It's a 3-point process. So I do my side line, and then I bring it to the middle, and then I fill it in. And then I just adjust it. Then I might extend the outer line a little bit more. But yeah, I've been using this on and off for years. If anyone says, oh, what liner would you recommend, Claire? It'd be this one, definitely. So the roller liner by Benefit there. I applied mascara. I didn't film me applying that. This is in a recent Lookfantastic haul. I'm not sure whether that was my July one or my June one. It's the Ico London Limitless Mascara in black. It's a great mascara. Really, really great for thin, straight lashes. Yeah, handy, and a nice nib as well. Oh my, I'll show you that. So a nice nib. So if you've got really sparse bottom lashes, you've got more control to stop any smudging, you know, like you do get with some mascaras. Next, false eyelashes. I love my false eyelashes. I've been using them for years and years and years. I hate salon lashes. Not on other people. They look blooming gorgeous. I've had them done once and I can't stand them. I can't stand the feel of them. I can't stand going to bed with them on. I can't stand them. I'm a disposable lash fan, basically. And this is what I love. I can't show you up close because I've got them on. I've got them in my eyelashes. 3/4, so flattering, especially if you've got quite small eyes. I've got quite small eyes, so I tend to always cut my eyelashes down anyway. These I don't have to. They are just so nice. These are the fluttery ones. What are they? Light and Wispy 009. Comes with lash glue as well. Oh, by Allure. Yeah, they are really pretty. That's what they look like naturally back there. They last a good while. It says on the back here, reusable for 5 wears and up to 18-hour hold. Latex-free, vegan-friendly glue. Yeah, these are my go-to lashes. Next is lips. Power Matte lipstick, liquid lipstick by NARS. And I've got it in shade, I want to say Vein. Yeah, it is Vein. Good memory. What I love about them is that they've got a really nice small nib. So it acts as a liner, so you're able to line your lips really easily and fill it in, so no need for a lip liner. I've got a berry shade of this lipstick, so I've tried it before. Love the formula, very lightweight, doesn't feel like I've got anything on my lips. Even though it's matte, it's not like a Huda Beauty matte, you know. I love Huda Beauty, don't get me wrong, I've got many lipsticks and they are gorgeous, but with those lipsticks I need to apply a lip oil, mainly in the middle, because it just feels a little bit too dry for me. These don't. It just feels so natural on my lips. It has an amazing colour payoff. I absolutely adore this shade, like a rusty red. It is beautiful and yeah, really long lasting as well. Definitely up there as a favourite matte liquid lipstick. And then lastly, it's a setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter, and this is a little mini version. I think it's a 100ml size. Well, this is a 30ml and this will be coming to Mykonos with me in a couple of weeks' time. It's my #1 setting spray for when I've got a lot of makeup on my face. It helps my makeup look flawless, it's really long lasting, and also it's hydrating, so it's good for your skin as well. But in the video, I put it on after I did my lashes. Normally I would put it on first. I completely forgot about it because I got a little box here with the products in it and I didn't see it until afterwards. But yeah, put it on before you do any lashes or anything like that, just because obviously you don't want your lashes to get wet. But yeah, so there you go. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think of the products. Are any of them your Holy Grail makeup products too? I'd love to hear what your favourite lipstick is or your favourite eyeshadow palette. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.